are going to take an example of what we have just said, the calculation right now. Okay, before we go to the calculation, we are going to talk about the different types of depreciating an asset. We have straight line method. Okay, straight line method. Then we have reducing balance method. Then we have what we call devaluation method for all these small, minor tools, side tools, small tools. Now, we are going to use the straight line now. Now, let's assume that an asset is given to last. The estimated value of an asset in a company to last for 20 years. Okay? Now, the percentage is given as 5%. Now, how are we going to calculate it? Now, let's see the calculation right now. Let's see the calculation right now. Now, based on our own formula that we have given, rate is equal to 100% over the estimated value of this thing. So we are going to say like this. Therefore, we're going to say where D represents depreciation. Okay, depreciation rate. Now, it's going to be, let's see, it's going to be 100% all over 20 years. 20 years. Okay? 20 years. Now, this is the listing right now. This calculation. 100%. The depreciation rate is expected that this is a situation where it's going to last for 20 years. That we're using straight line right now. Okay? Last for 20 years, which means it's going to be depreciating concurrently every year like that. That's the depreciation rate is equals to 100% all over 20 years. Okay? Now, if you have 20 here, you cancel, you have 1. What do you have here? You have 5. That's 5, which answer now is 5%. That's the answer. So, which means 5% of the profit profit before tax, depreciation will occur every year. 5% of that. Okay, 5% of the profit. 5% of the amount. Okay, will be reduced. Which means if we have like maybe 1,000 naira as the profit, 5% of that 1,000 naira is charged against the 1,000 naira. You get it now? This is a depreciation rate. Is equals to 100%. Okay, 100% all over 20 years. That's the estimated value. The estimated value of the asset. Now, if 20 comes here, you have 1. 20 comes here, you have 5. This is the 5. You have 5, which is therefore 20 is equal to 5 years. Or it's the same thing as therefore the D rate, otherwise known as differential rate, is equal to 5%. In an exam, if you just write this and you get it without even cancelling it, you just write it 100% all over 20 years is equal to 5%, you'll be marked good. Or if you want to go further as a mathematician, I want to prove it, just say therefore, okay, therefore D rate, that D stands for depreciation, D rate is equal to 5%. Thank you. So that is the analysis there, and that is this thing there. Okay, so I've just made it very clear on what it means. One of the formula of depreciation for the estimated value of an asset of a company. Thank you.